Let's talk about electrician pay in Spain. The average electrician income in Spain is around 32,400 US dollars a year. After tax, that average electrician pay drops to $24,400, which leaves you with roughly $2,033 every month in take-home pay. While those figures cover the whole country, living in big metro areas can change what you bring home, as electrician wages in Madrid average $28,100 after tax. That sounds like noticeably more money, but high rent in the city often takes away the extra cash. If you are just starting out, your electrician salary in Spain will be well below this average point, though you'll see your income go up quite fast as you gain skills over your first few years. That growth usually slows down later on, unless you step into supervision. On top of that, getting a formal university degree makes a huge difference in how much does an electrician make in Spain, because it opens doors to higher roles like electrical engineer or project manager. Local firms pay the least, but moving to multinational companies brings home a much better paycheck.